and throw it to the trash bin. And arrange your chair. Then you may now take your seat. Okay. Take your seat. Everybody, take your seat.
Thank your seat. Thank you seat.
Okay, good morning again, class. By the way, I am teacher Anna Marie Bagaan, but you can call me teacher Ann. Then I'll be going your teacher in science for today's class discussion. So how are you today, class? Did you take your snack before entering our room?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now I want you to look at your side, left and right. Look at your side. So who are absent for today? There is,
Si Alcair.
okay, sa?
Benny.
Okay. Okay, there are absent. So, okay, next time if they are present, tell them on what we have discussed today. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, now, what have you seen in this side, class?
A basket. Basket.
Yes, a basket.
And apple.
Very good.
And a squirrel.
Yes.
Butterfly.
So there are 4 baskets and 4 squirrels and an apple tree full of
Apple.
this butterfly full of
Apple.
fruits. Very good. So this would be your incentive chart. So these 4 squirrels and 4 baskets represent as your groups. Because today I'm going to group you into 4. Very good. This would be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do, or the rules that we must follow when we are having a class discussion?
Quiet.
Okay, very good. A1, meron pa ba?
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Yes, very good. Listen carefully. Another.
Keep quiet.
Yes, keep quiet. It's done.
Sit carefully.
Okay, sit properly. So, I have here
Raise your
8
hand.
rules that you must
Raise your
be
hand, teacher.
follow. Okay, number 1, read.
Keep quiet.
Okay, you must be keep quiet when I'm having or I'm talking here in front. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, next is
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
okay, just raise your
Hand.
right hand if you want to answer or if you have a question so that I would recognize you. Next is
Listen carefully.
okay, all ears are on me. Sa akin lang makikinig. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next is
Sit properly.
okay, sit properly everybody. Does everybody sit properly?
Yes.
Okay. So, ilagay ang kamay sa desk. Okay, are we clear on our rules, class? Are
Yes.
you going to follow all this?
Yes.
Very good. Because if you follow all this, then you will gain a apple. Okay, so if sino yung maraming apple, then you will receive a prize after our class discussion. Okay, now is I have a question. So, do you still remember on what you have discussed last meeting or what Ma'am Connie Hart discussed last meeting in science? Okay.
Push or pull?
Okay, push or pull. Another.
Or.
Okay. If none, kung hindi kayo nakakaalala, then I will show you something. So, what is this?
Cotton. Socks.
Soap. Very good. Soap ang cotton. And this is a
Rock.
Okay, rock. And the rock is
Rigid.
very good. It is rigid and this is
Soap.
okay, now I'm doing what is this?
Running.
Then I'm making a what? A
Action.
move or
Action.
or a movement. Very good. It seems that you remember your class discussion. So again, what is rigid?
Hard.
Okay, very good.
Rock. Stone.
This
It's a
is
solid
like
block.
yes, very good. It are we going to do when we are having a group activity class? Okay, very good. You participate and keep quiet. Very good. See for our rules here. Keep quiet. Okay, so all you need to do is I have here a jumbled letters, and what are you going to do is you arrange the jumbled letters. Okay, based on the picture presented. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay, for the group 1. Okay, wag muna magsisimula. So, dito yung text. Dito ilagay mamaya. Yes. Okay, group 2. Group 3 ba to? Group 1 yan? Okay, thank you for correcting me. This will be the go. Then the 3. Then the did I say start? Okay, keep quiet while doing the activity. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, I will only give you 3 minutes. Okay, very good. Group 1, they finished. Place your words here on the board. Okay, group 3, are you done? Place on the board. Okay, now, if you are done, please sit down. Everybody take your seat. Okay, this is your place. Everybody here. Okay, now let's check your words. If it is, you can form the word correctly. So, where is the group 1? So, very good. You push. Yes, you form the word push. Very good. According to the picture. Then group 2. Okay, what is this? Pull. Very good. Based on the picture presented. Then, saan yung group? Anong group? Group 3. Okay, very good. Pero, masyadong malayo yung mga words ninyo. But, nevertheless, you form the words correctly. Very good. Yes. Ano to group 4? Objects ba? You place it in. Bakit dito? Dapat dito. But, nevertheless, you form the word correctly. Very good. So, now, let's clap ourselves. Do you know the clap? Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now, now we are going to watch a video. What are we going to do when we are watching a video class? Very good, very good. We should and Oh yes, very good. We must follow our rules. Number 1 rules, keep quiet. Okay, now let's watch the video.
Today, we are going to answer the question, what is force? Force causes an object to move. How can we make this car move? One way is by using a force like a push. We can push this car to move it away from us. Another way is by using a force of pull. Imagine this car had a rope tied to it. We can pull the rope to move the car closer to us. Some examples of objects that can be moved using push are pushing a baby stroller or pushing a grocery cart. Examples of objects that can be moved using pull are pulling a toy wagon or pulling a kite to help keep it flying through the air. Let's look at another example. Which type of force is being used? The most away from a person. The force is push. Which type of force is being used here? The box is moving toward the person. The force is pull. Time to review our vocabulary.
Okay, let's review.
Force causes an object to move. Push is when we move objects away from us. Pull is when we move objects closer to us. Can you think of other examples of push and pull?
Okay. Did you understand the video, class?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have a question. Based on your activity, the energizer that you have done, and the video, what do you think our topic for today? Or ano kaya ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon? Yes, Mayesha?
Push or pull.
Or yes, maybe push or pull. Another.
Push.
Okay. Okay, very good. You got it right. We are going to discuss or tackle about. Okay, what it is? Force. Very good. We are going to discuss
Today, we are going to answer the question,
force. So, do you know what is force, class?
Yes.
Okay, based on the video, what is force? Force is to make an object, or it causes an object to what? To? Yes, very good.
Push and pull.
Move, very good. So, the force is, okay, basahin. Force. Okay, everybody, simply.
Simply refers to a push and pull that is
Capable.
capable of influencing an object's behavior.
Example.
Example, tug of war.
Okay, do you know the game tug of war? This one. Okay. To show you the picture. So, do you know the game? What? Okay, what is it?
Force.
No, the game.
Tug
Tug of
of
war or hilaan ng
war.
tali or lubid. So, this is an example. So, what do we need to win this game? A lot of what?
Force.
Force, very good. A lot of force or lakas to make the to win this game. Very good. Now, the force have two sides. Now, according to the video, meron siyang
Push. Pull.
okay. Now, let's read what is push.
In
Pull.
Is a force in which an object moves towards the source of the interaction.
Interaction.
Interaction. Example, grabbing the handle of a suitcase.
Like for example, this one. Okay, did you see the picture?
Pull.
Okay, like for example, ito suitcase. Suitcase. Then I'm dragging. So what I'm doing? Very good. I'm pulling. And the force is saan papunta? Sa tao. Oo, very good. Sa taong nag object. Very good. So, I will show you an example of pull. So, what did you observe on the picture, class? What did you observe on the picture? Ano to? Oh, very good. You have here arrow. Who said arrow? Very good. There is an arrow. Okay, I have a trivia class. Did you know that scientists describe force using an arrow to make para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ang push and pull. Very good. So, okay, dito sa tug of war, ano yung nakikita niyo na arrow? It is yes, double side. Because the force that they exert is equal. Equal siya kasi 3 o tatlong tao dito, then tatlong tao, then naghilaan sila, then the balance is equal. Balance ang paghila. And then dito sa next, carrying yes, like for example, I'm carrying this plant. Okay, I'm carrying this. So, saan papunta yung arrow? Okay, very good. Taas. Very good. And now, if I'm carrying or I'm dragging this chair, so, saan papunta yung arrow? Okay, left ba? Okay, papunta sa taong humihila or papunta sa akin if you are pushing or pulling the objects. Very good. Or same dito sa example. So if you are carrying, so palang force kung papunta sa taas, the arrow is going saan? Very good. And okay, sinong nakatry dito mag-swing or magduyan? Okay, okay. So if you are swinging you are using the force what? Like for example, ako yung nagtutulak. So may nag-swing. Ito nag-swing yung babae, then ako yung nagtutulak. So saan papunta yung force? So, yes, papalayo because the word push is the arrow or the force is or to make an object away or papunta or palayo sa'yo. While ang pull is opposite of push, which is saan? Papunta? Okay, papunta sa atin or sa taong gumagawa ng movement. So, class, did you understand our topic about force?
Yes!
Okay, if you really understand, I have a question. So, again, what is force? Okay, again, what is force? Meron siyang dalawa. What it is?
Pull
and
push.
Very good. And ano yung push and pull? What is push?
Katulad siya.
Push? Pag push.
Palayo sa amin.
Oh, very good. Papalapit or it's getting near to the person who makes the object move. Okay. If now if there is a force, there is a ano?
Pull. Push and pull.
And gagalaw yung if there is force, gagalaw yung if there is no force or without force, gagalaw ba yung object? Yeah, very good. So, hindi mababago yung placement kung saan nakalagay ang isang object if there is no ano pala? Very good. It seems that you really understand our discussion. So clap our hands. Okay. Now class, can you give me an example that you always do or the daily task that you always do either dito sa loob ng classroom or sa inyong bahay? Bag, very good. Magbitbit o bag. If we are, anong ginawa natin, oh? Bag. Saan pa po tayong araw? Saan pa po tayong araw? Very good kasi we are pulling the bag. Very good. When we are nagbitbit tayo ng tumbler. Okay, where is the force or the arrow? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Push the table or the desk. Okay, everyone, push down. Okay, demonstrate the push. Huwag na masyadong lakuan. Okay, very good. If you before did you understand our topic? Yes. Can you demonstrate the push? Okay, push down. Okay, go for push. Okay, very good. The pull. Okay, if you are pulling, where does the arrow go? Okay, very good, Sis. And when you are pushing the object, saan papunta? Away. Okay, very good. Away from you. Okay.
So, tama na stop na.
Okay, now we're going to have a group activity. Yes. We are going to have a group activity. Okay, what are we going to do when we are having a group activity? Yes. Let's go on to the walls. Okay, very good, Isaiah. We are going to tell our group. Okay, don't start yet. Okay, very good. Participate. Okay, sit down. Hindi pa ako nagsasabi magsisimula na. Okay, group. Oy, wait lang. Group 1, bakit nyo inopen na? Basahin pa natin yung direction. Huwag nyo walain yung araw, ha? Wait lang, basahin mo na yung ano. Okay, group 1. Hindi ko pa sinabi magsisimula na. Okay, group 4, read your direction. Mamaino, saan po yung points ninyo pag nagsisimula na kayo? Okay, direction. What you're going to do is insert the word. Okay, did you understand? Okay. Cheers, hindi ko pa sinabi. Oh, stress because I already told you. Group 1, what are you going to do? Okay, everyone, start now. Okay, quiet agad. Magaluhan mo. Sino yung maingay? Kukunin ko yung points ninyo. Okay, quiet. I'm not going to put Okay, be quiet. Leader, face your door. Okay, very good. And group 1. Keep quiet. Okay, magmaminus na talaga ako because you are not listening to me. Keep quiet. If you are done, please sit down. Magmaminus ako kasi you are not listening. The leader will only close the door. Okay, done. Yes. Okay, sit down. I already deducted your point because you are not listening. Okay, everybody sit Now let's check your Okay, now let's check your words if you answer it correctly. Be quiet, everybody sit down. Okay, do you want me to minus your points or deduct your points? Sit down, everybody. Group 4? Okay, group 4 because you are very noisy, then I will deduct your points. Okay, now let's check your words. Okay, the group 1, put a square on the blank that shows pushing and an object and put a heart on the picture shows pulling an object. Okay, for number 1, what is this? Picture pulling and is it correct or not? Correct. Then next is pushing. Correct or not? Okay, square. Then pulling or pushing? Pulling. Very good. Number 4. Pushing. Very good. Number 5. Pushing or pulling? Pulling. Very good. It is opening the door. Very good. So you got 5. Very good. Now I'm going to say voice. Okay, for the group 2, read your directions. Group 2, where's the group 2? Okay. by the dog. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, don't blame your group mates. Okay, number 4. Okay, very good. Push. Number 5. Push. Very good. Okay. One mistake is not bad naman. Okay, group 3, read your
Direction. Put an arrow to show the direction of course. Push and pull. Apply in each
situation.
situation below. The first one is done as an example.
Okay, okay, ito yung example. So, he is carrying a bag. So, saan papunta yung arrow? Saan papunta? Very good. Then, he's pushing the button. Okay, very good. Now, push siya. Then, saan papunta yung arrow? Papunta sa bata. Because, anong force ang ginamit? Pushing or pulling? Pulling. Very good. Pull. Then, next is? Ito to. Diba? Ito yung humihila. Saan papunta yung arrow? Dapat ganito kasi ito yung humihila. Okay. Oh, okay, next is saan ba papunta yung pagwawalis? Papunta dito sa sand. Okay, dapat papunta sa sand. Okay, don't blame the others. Okay. It's good. That's okay. Very good. That's okay. Okay. See, now we start the activity. Okay, that group 3 got a 3 points. Okay, group 4, read your direction.
Encircle the word of the S answered based on the picture
Presented. Okay. Is it pulling or is it pull or push? Push because he is closing the
door.
oh, yes. Next is pull. Very good. Next is dragging a suitcase. Pull or push? Pull. Ano yung narinig ko na push? Dragging. Diba? Dinemonstrate ko kanina. I demonstrated this one. Okay, but the group work correct. Okay, number 4. Hinila yung buhok. Pull. Ay! Bakit nagiging push na? Okay, it's okay. Just try it next time. Then next is very good. Push. Sinulak yung he is pushing the girl. Very good. So, group 4 got a 4 points. Now, because okay, the group 1 is perfect and it's okay. Just bawi sa susunod because we're going to have an activity later. Bumawi kayo. This will be your group activity lang naman. So, now, let's clap ourselves. Do you know the clap's amazing clap? Ha? Alam nyo? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Amazing!
Okay, everybody.
Amazing!
Tayo.
1, 2, 3! Sing! Amazing!
Okay, now I want you to get your ball pen. Okay, because we were going to have a get your ball pen. Okay, get your ball pen. Meron na ba? pass at the back. Get one and pass. Did I told you to get your ballpen right? Then, try to look for your classmates. Baka meron silang extra ballpen. Yes, wait lang. Hindi pa ako nagsasabi na mag-answer. Babasahin pa natin yung... Oh, yes. Just only write your name. Okay, pass ulit sa... Abner. Pass. Get one and pass. Wait lang, hindi ko pa sinabi. Don't start it yet. Okay, let's read the direction. Okay, direction. Read. Everybody read the direction. False. True or false only. So, if the statement is correct, then write true. And if the statement is wrong, then write. Ano yung susulat? False or mali. False ha, hindi yun. False ha? False and true. Okay, number 1. False is a push or pull. Answer. Force is a push or pull. Sinabi dito na ang force daw is pagtulak at paghila. So, true or false? Okay, Dan. Number 2. Without force, a moving object will stop. Without force, a moving object will stop. Okay, sino yung hindi nakakaintindi ng English? I will translate it for you. Okay? Sinabi pag walang force, ang isang bagay ay hihinto. Pag walang force, ang bagay ay hihinto. Okay, number 3. Without force, an object at rest will not move. Naintindihan lang? Pag ang isang bagay, pag walang force, ang isang bagay ay nakastay lang. Hindi siya nag-move. True or false? Answer. Okay. Number 4. A force can move an object. Sa pamamagitan ng force, na igalaw or na-move natin yung bagay. True or false? Number 5. Number 5. When the force applied on an object, it cannot change its placement. Kapag ginamitan natin ng force ang isang bagay, hindi raw gumalaw or hindi nag-change ang placement or kung saan nakalagay ang isang bagay. True or false? When the force applied on an object, it cannot change its placement. Okay, kung nakinig kayo kanina, then makakasagot kayo. Are you done? Ball pens up. Okay. You're still answering. Okay. So, if you are done, pass your paper in front. Si teacher na ang mag-check. But we are going to answer this one on the board. Pass forward. bakit ganito ang magsulat? Dapat, kung maliit lahat, dapat maliit. So, dapat maliit. Okay. Okay, but it is correct. So, number 2 wants to answer Isaiah from Book 2. True or false? Go, Isaiah. Without force, a moving object full stop. Kung walang force, is meaning go ang isang basa. True or false? Dapat maliit na. Okay, very good. Is it correct? True? Tama ba na true? Yes. Okay, very good. Pag walang force, the object will start moving. Number 3. Okay. Katubay. Ito ang katubay. Katubay.
Subayan.
Good.
Tubay nga si Tibay.
Right here correctly. Okay. Is it true or false? True. Very good. Correct. True. Okay, number 4. Of course, can go back outside. Okay. What's your name? Okay. Now answer. Okay, your answer for number 5. Okay na. Faster. So that you will take your lunch. Where is your paper? Yeah, very good. You write it in 8. Is it correct or not? Who said not? Okay, number 5. John Patrick. Okay, turn up there. If you don't want to answer John Patrick, then is it false? The answer is false. Right? Okay, very good. So, kung walang force apply, dapat nag-move. Okay, who got it? The perfect score. Who got perfect score? Ha? Oh, wala. Okay, hindi. Hindi na alam kung ano yung sinagot nila kanina. Okay. Now, get your notebook in science and copy the assignment.
Remember